Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unlocking your Huawei and opening settings so you change behavior immediately. Tap Display and Brightness. On some models, the option sits under Battery. Once you see Screen Timeout or Sleep, you're ready to adjust how long the screen stays active. This prevents unwanted locks and saves battery when needed. Make sure to note whether you're on power saving mode because that can override timeout choices, so disable it first if present. Now you choose the timeout length. Tap the sleep or screen timeout entry and pick a value such as 30s, 1M, 5M, or never if you want no automatic sleep. If you're using power saving or adaptive battery, make sure those toggles aren't forcing shorter timeouts. Turn them off or set exceptions. Also check individual app settings or developer options that can keep the screen on, because apps like navigation or video players may finish by locking then unlocking your device to confirm the new sleep behavior takes effect. This quick test shows whether your change worked. If the timeout reverts or doesn't apply, reboot the phone and recheck the display and battery overrides. If problems persist, reset settings, not data, or update EMUI because software bugs can block timeout changes. And if that still fails, contact Huawei support for firmware-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.